Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. In this video, we show you how to use and how to program our new TC Plus control mounted on our manual machines.
We have set up the tooling, so technically we are ready to perform a test bend to check if the tooling we set will give a good result on the bend or if we must adjust something slightly. So what I do, I go in programming, I recall an existing program, read it, and I check what is inside. I want to do just a simple 90-degree bend, so I cancel all the lines I don't need. I program a simple 90-degree bend with a spring back of, let's say, 7 degrees. This depends on the material thickness. Anticipated manual extraction of 5 degrees with a speed at 100. I save my program, I read it, and I transfer it to the automatic page. I swap to automatic. I can see my program, my angle, manual extraction, spring back. The machine has an automatic standby function, so if you don't use the pump for 2 seconds, it will go automatically in standby. To press the button for 2 seconds and the pump will turn on again. I take a small piece of tube, put some grease inside, and insert it in the machine. I press now plus and the button in the center. On the control you will see waiting command plus. Without releasing the button in the center, we press plus and the cycle will begin. During the cycle, we will set also the speed of the booster that must have the same speed of the bending axis. When the cycle finish, I take off my tube and I see. If the quality is okay, I don't have any wrinkles, no necks, very nice and smooth, my tool setting is correct and I can proceed to start and make my work.
Thanks for watching our online video tutorials. Please follow us on our channels, and for any question or doubts, contact your Ercolina partner. Ciao!